Before the experiment, clean the sieves by using soft brush. Firstly, use manual shaking for selecting the 300 gram of soil that passes 425 micrometer test sieves. Weigh 20 gram of soil. After that, prepare the soil paste by adding the distilled water. If the soil paste is dried, add the distilled water from time to time. Next, roll the soil paste into a ball when the soil has enough plasticity. Divide the soil into small portions. Each of them is around 10 gram. Roll them into a thread with 3 m diameter. Use the rod as the reference. Weigh the empty can and record the weight. Later, put the soil into the empty can. Weigh the soil with can and record the data. Proceed with another 3 samples by repeating steps 6 to 8. Wear the gloves and put the soil with can into the oven for 24 hours to observe the moisture content. Weigh 200 gram of soil. Mix the soil paste on the glass plate with the spatulas for at least 10 minutes. Keep on adding the soil and distilled water from time to time. By using a spatula, fill up the soil paste into the cup. Press the soil to avoid any trapping air. Level the soil surface. Lower and make sure the tip of cone is a few millimeters above the soil surface. Set the dial reading to 0. Hold and press the release button. Lower the stem of the dial gauge to make contact with the top of the cone shaft. Record the reading. Put some sample into the can. Weigh the soil with can. Repeat step 3 to 8 for another 3 set specimen. Wear the gloves and put the soil with can into the oven for 24 hours to observe moisture content. The 3 set specimens are repeated with different moisture content in order to reach 20 mm penetration for 5 seconds. After plotting the penetration versus moisture content graph, coney penetration with 20 is red and as the liquid limit of that soil.